Earlier this year, an American actress, Michelle, passed away due to complications of high blood sugar. Just last year March, a popular actor, Amaechi Muonagor, died of diabetes-induced kidney failure. So high blood sugar is not a minor issue. It's a silent killer. If left unchecked, it could lead to blindness, kidney failure, infertility, nerve damage, amputation, stroke, and even death. I'm not a prophet of doom. These stories are to trigger you to take charge of your health. And I'm not going to leave you to do it all alone. In the next 30 days, I'm going to walk you through a healing journey from high blood sugar level to a normal blood sugar level. So if you are in, click the subscribe button so you don't miss a day, and like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Hello, if you're just seeing me for the first time, I am Amara, aka the Mom Scientist. I don't just teach this, I live it. I'm a medical lab scientist, a metabolic biochemistry lecturer, a metabolic health researcher for more than 4 years, a PCOS victor who understands firsthand what insulin resistance and hormonal imbalance feels like, and a coach helping especially African diabetics and prediabetics reverse their condition naturally without giving up their culture. In this 30 days video series, I'll be sharing the real root causes of high blood sugar beyond sugar, how to eat your African foods without spiking your blood sugar, daily habits that repair insulin resistance naturally, how to understand your lab test and glucose logs like a pro, how to break free from food guilt, confusion, and constant fear. This is not a diet, it's a path to healing. We're not managing diabetes or prediabetes, we're reversing it in the next 30 days. Why this is very important is that you might feel fine now. This was how some people felt until their vision blurred, or their kidney failed, or they collapsed at work. Like, I know someone who suddenly became irrational, started talking like a mad person, and eventually fainted and was rushed to the hospital, only for the relations to discover on getting to the hospital that she had diabetic coma. So don't wait till you start having complications of high blood sugar to do something about your blood sugar. In the coming days, you understand why some people keep taking drugs and still their blood sugar refuses to go down, and why people are on restricted diet and still their blood sugar remained high. In the coming days, you're going to understand why these things are happening and what you can do to bring down your blood sugar level no matter what. So if you have not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now, turn on your notification bell, and make sure to share this video with your family and friends. You could be helping somebody living with diabetes or pre-diabetes change their health story. It begins with you, one person at a time, one diabetes reverser at a time, one pre-diabetes reverser at a time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.